Imagine if your toaster could not just toast your bread, but also give you a pep talk. You got this, champ. Now go get that bread, literally. That's basically my life now, thanks to artificial intelligence. My morning doesn't start with a screeching alarm clock anymore. Nope, it starts with my smart home assistant, who I've named Jeeves 2.0, gently waking me up with my favorite lo-fi beats. He knows I hate loud noises before my first coffee. He even adjusts the lights slowly, so I don't feel like a vampire seeing the sun for the first time. It's like having a personal butler who lives in the cloud and runs on pure data magic. This isn't some sci-fi movie, this is just my Thursday. Once I'm finally vertical and stumbling towards the kitchen, the AI party really gets started. My coffee machine, synced with Jeeves 2.0, has already brewed my perfect cup. Not too strong, not too weak, just the right amount of please help me function juice. Then, I open my smart fridge to figure out breakfast. It scans what I have inside and suggests a recipe. This morning it told me, "You have one sad-looking banana and some yogurt. How about a smoothie?" It even added bananas to my shopping list. My fridge is more organized than my entire life, and honestly, I'm not even mad about it. It keeps me from accidentally buying my 5th jar of mustard. Of course, it's not always perfect. Last week, Jeeves 2.0 decided to play my Get Hyped playlist at 6 a.m. instead of the calm lo-fi. I woke up to intense Bollywood music, feeling like I was in the middle of a high-stakes dance battle before I even had a chance to open my eyes. All the time my smart toaster, which I was testing, burned my toast, and my smart speaker announced, "Fire alert," or as you call it, extra crispy. These little glitches are like digital bloopers. They're hilarious reminders that even super smart technology can have a case of the Mondays. It's like living in a sitcom written by coders. But even with the occasional goof up, these AI helpers have seriously upgraded my daily grind. They handle the small boring stuff so I can focus on the big picture, like what meme I'm going to send my friends first. My phone already knows which apps I'll open first, my route to class is preloaded with traffic updates, and my schedule is perfectly organized. It's like having a team of tiny invisible assistants working around the clock to make my life smoother. They save me time and brain power, which I can then use for more important activities, like binge watching another season of that show I love. Let's talk about school. Ugh, I know, but hear me out because AI has turned my study sessions from a total nightmare into something manageable. I used to spend hours flipping through textbooks trying to find one tiny piece of information. Now, I have AI-powered study apps that are basically my academic superheroes. I can ask them to summarize a super long chapter into a few key points. It's like having a brilliant classmate who has already done all the reading and is willing to share their notes. Except this classmate doesn't get annoyed when I ask the same question 10 times. It's a game changer for someone like me whose attention span is, let's be honest, about as long as a TikTok video. The best part is how personalized it is. These AI tools learn how learn. If I'm struggling with a math concept, the app won't just give me the answer. It will break it down into smaller steps, show me a video tutorial, and then generate practice problems until I finally get it. It's like having a private tutor who is available 24/7 and doesn't judge me for still not understanding fractions. It even creates little flashcards and quizzes for me, turning studying into a kind of game. Level up, you now understand quantum physics. Okay, maybe not quantum physics, but you get the idea. It makes learning feel less like a chore and more like a personal quest. Of course, sometimes my AI study buddy gets a little creative. One time, I asked it to help me write an essay about the Roman Empire, and it started including references to and suggested I open with the line, "Are you not entertained?" I mean, it's not wrong, but I'm not sure my professor would have appreciated it. Another time, my grammar checking tool tried to correct Gen Z to Gen Z as if it were a pirate. These little quirks are hilarious. It's a reminder that AI is still learning just like us, and sometimes it makes some truly meme-worthy mistakes along the way. But these funny moments aside, AI in education is seriously powerful. It's not about cheating or having a robot do your homework for you. It's about having a tool that helps you understand things better and manage your time more effectively. It automates the boring parts like organizing citations or finding sources, so I can spend more time actually thinking and being creative. It's like having a research assistant, a tutor, and a proofreader all rolled into one. It's preparing us for a future where working alongside AI will be totally normal. And honestly, I'm here for it. Less stress, more success. Or you might think the AI revolution stops with humans, but oh no, you would be wrong. My dog Buster is living his best life in the year 2025, and it's all thanks to artificial intelligence. I have this smart pet feeder that dispenses his food on a schedule, so he never has to give me those sad "you forgot to feed me" eyes again. But it's more than just a food dispenser. It has a camera with AI that recognizes when he's near the bowl. It even sends me a notification on my phone with a picture of him eating, usually with a caption like "Buster is enjoying his lunch." It's the cutest thing ever and cures my separation anxiety. The tech for my furry friend doesn't stop there. Buster wears a smart collar that is basically a fitness tracker for dogs. It monitors his activity levels, his sleep patterns, and even his scratching habits. The app uses AI to analyze all this data and tells me if he's getting enough exercise or if he's scratching more than usual, which could be a sign of an allergy. Last month, the app flagged that his sleep was more restless than normal. It turned out his new bed wasn't as comfy as he wanted. Thanks to that little AI-powered alert, I got him a new one, and now he sleeps like a log. My dog has better health analytics than I do. Now this is where it gets really funny. I also have an AI-powered treat tossing camera so I can play with him when I'm not home. I can talk to him through the speaker and launch a treat across the room with a tap on my phone. The other day, my mum came over to water my plants, and the AI camera mistook her for an intruder. It started firing treats at her like a tiny delicious cannon. She was just standing there, getting pelted with bacon-flavored snacks, completely confused. I got a notification that said, "Suspicious activity detected. Deploying treats." I have never laughed so hard in my life. Beyond the hilarious mishaps, this technology gives me incredible peace of mind. Knowing that I can check in on Buster, make sure he's fed, healthy and happy, is amazing. It's a simple, practical use of AI that makes a real difference for pet owners. It shows that AI isn't just about complex algorithms and big data. It's about solving everyday problems, even for our four-legged family members. It strengthens the bond I have with my dog, even when I'm away from home. Plus, who doesn't want a daily photo of their dog sent directly to their phone? It's the best kind of notification. Looking back, it's wild how quickly AI has woven itself into the fabric of my life. It's not some big scary robot takeover like in the movies. It's the small things. It's my phone suggesting a reply to a text that sounds exactly like me. It's my streaming service knowing I need a comedy after a long day. It's my car's navigation system rerouting me around a traffic jam I didn't even know existed. AI is the silent partner in my daily routine. The invisible helping hand that just makes things a little bit easier, a little bit faster, and a whole lot funnier. It's the ultimate life hack, and we're all using it. Of course, people get worried. They see the headlines about AI and think of Skynet from. But what I see is a tool, a really smart and sometimes goofy tool that's here to help. It's not about replacing human connection. It's about freeing up our time so we can have more of it. I have more time to hang out with my friends because my AI assistant scheduled my appointments for me. I can focus on being creative in my school projects because an AI helped me organize my research. It's not taking over, it's taking on the boring stuff. Think of it less as a threat and more as the world's most efficient intern. The potential for the future is what really gets me excited. Imagine AI helping doctors diagnose illnesses earlier and more accurately. Or AI helping us tackle huge problems like climate change by analyzing massive amounts of environmental data. We could have personalized medicine, smarter cities with less traffic, and education that is truly tailored to every single student. The possibilities are endless, and we are just at the beginning of this journey. The same technology that tells me I'm out of milk could one day help solve some of the world's biggest challenges. And that is a truly mind-blowing thought. So let's embrace the chaos, laugh at the glitches, and get excited for what's next. AI is here to stay, and it's making our lives better, one perfectly brewed coffee and one misfired dog treat at a time. It's a partner in our progress, a sidekick in our daily adventures. The future isn't something to be afraid of, it's something to look forward to. It's going to be smarter, more efficient, and if my talking toaster is any indication, a whole lot more fun. Let's get ready for an amazing AI-powered tomorrow. It's going to be lit.